Hi, this is Hap for Hap Around the House, and if you ever have slow drains when you're taking a shower and your feet are sitting in the water, well, we have it right now. And this is the kids' bathroom, and we use a lot of conditioner in this particular bathtub. So I've taken it apart a number of different times, and I've really never found a whole wad of hair. Sometimes you pull it out, and there'll just be a whole big root system of hair going down in your pipe. Usually what I find is like a greasy, it's from the conditioner. You use it and then it sits inside that pipe and it'll just start to constrict. So I took the top and I wiped it down a little bit to get the stuff. It was starting to block up the hole. So I did that. That didn't solve it. There's a couple different things. I got some hot water here, and I also have some tools down here. Basically, what I use is a pair of duck bills, and this tends to grab the stuff out of there. You want to keep your fingers out of it. The stuff is basically sewage. It stinks. So you do not want to get your fingers in there. Why don't you come down here and show them what I'm doing. So what I do is I grab my little screwdriver, very carefully back the center screw out. Put a flashlight on there. That wasn't exactly careful, but it came out. There it is. Oof. Ain't that pretty. And you can see all that stuff. It looks like lard or fat in there, and basically that's all the conditioner that people put in their hair, and it ends up going down the sink here, or down the pipe, and it is ugly. So what I do is I just grab it, and you can see it's ugly. It looks like chicken crap, actually. So what we'll do is we'll continue to kind of wipe this stuff out and grab it, and then I'll dump the hot water down there, and that tends to melt the stuff. So it just doesn't get hot enough in a shower. Just not hot enough. Oddly enough, what this screw goes down into is actually metal. Now I'm really surprised because usually they're plastic, but this one tends to be metal. Why don't you see? Can you get down in there and show them exactly? That is some ugliness down there, but why don't I wipe that out with another piece of paper towel a second if I can. All right, let's wipe this out with a piece of paper towel. And it can be sharp, so watch your fingers, because some of that stuff down in there, that hardware, can be sharp. You know, the plumbing, it's not designed to really be reaming on and stuff. We got a little bit more hair we can grab. There just really isn't that much hair in there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we have some really hot water here, and we're going to dump it down there. And it is really melting that stuff. Huh. Oddly enough, when you heat this stuff up, it smells 10 times worse. There we go. And that was about 2 quarts of hot water. And I really don't see anything. There's still some gunk down there, but you know, unfortunately, barring taking the whole system apart, you're not going to get it all. So I wipe the surface like so, and we take our screen, put it back on, and we start our screw by hand. We don't want to strip that center part out. You strip that center part out, you've got a big problem. Just like that. I start it with my fingers, just like that, and then I snug it down. Now, I probably should just be using a screwdriver, but I'll just use this drill. Sure it's tight? It's tight. That's basically it. Now, let's see how it drains. Let's put some water in here and see how it drains. Let me hop out so my toes don't get wet. And that's what you want to see. Draining nice and easy. And that'll do it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the bottom. And remember to subscribe if you like our channel. Thanks.